Bo Nix is an American professional football quarterback for the Denver Broncos of the National Football League. He played his first 3 seasons of college football for the Auburn Tigers, winning SEC Freshman of the Year in 2019. Nix was born on February 25, 2000 in Arkadelphia, Arkansas. Nix played under his father Patrick at Pinson Valley High School in Pinson, Alabama, where he accumulated over 12,000 total offensive yards and 161 touchdowns. Previously, Nix played at Scottsboro High School in Scottsboro, Alabama, where he passed for 3,463 yards and threw 40 touchdown passes. Nix won Alabama's Mr. Football Award as a senior in 2018. He was rated the top dual threat quarterback of his class and committed to play college football at Auburn University. Nix was selected by the Denver Broncos with the 12th overall pick in the first round of the 2024 NFL Draft, signing a 4-year rookie contract worth approximately $18.8 million. As a rookie, he started all 17 games, completing 376 of 567 passes for 3,775 yards, 26 touchdowns and 11 interceptions, while adding 344 rushing yards and 6 scores, earning him the NFL Offensive Rookie of the Year award. Entering his second season in 2025, Nix has established himself as the Broncos franchise quarterback, with the team off to a 4-2 start as of early October. Nix committed to Auburn University, where he enrolled early in January 2019. As a true freshman, he started the season opener against Oregon, the first Auburn quarterback to do so since 1946, and appeared in 14 games that year, throwing for 2,823 yards and 12 touchdowns. Over 3 seasons at Auburn, he started 29 games, compiling 8,096 passing yards, 47 touchdowns and 29 interceptions, while also rushing for 1,163 yards and 17 scores. In 2022, seeking a fresh start, Nix transferred to the University of Oregon. On July 23, 2025, Broncos head coach Sean Payton revealed that Nix spent a portion of the offseason working with former Saints quarterback Drew Brees and throwing mechanics specialist Tom House. On July 24, Nix was voted the 64th best player in the league in the top 100 players of 2025 by his NFL peers following his successful rookie campaign. As a true freshman at Auburn, Nix was named the starting quarterback for the 2019 season. He led Auburn to a 27-21 comeback win against the Oregon Ducks at AT&T Stadium in Arlington, Texas on August 31, 2019. Nix led Auburn to a 9-4 record in his freshman season, winning the Iron Bowl 48-45 over Alabama.